Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook Macher chop or fish cutlet. It is a famous Kolkata or Calcutta street food that belongs to chop and Tele Bhaja genre of snack. It's a snack that Bengalis love particularly during monsoon, winter, ceremonies and festivals. Chop in Bengal is a genre of food that means cutlet or fritters. Calcutta was the capital of British Empire in India from 1772 to 1911. English food influenced Bengali food as well. Chop is one such instance. We Bengalis elevated it to a different height with all our Indian spices. It's now very much our recipe. We Bengalis love to have it in the evening along with hot tea or coffee or puffed rice and mustard sauce and salad. Let's begin. I have taken potato, 3 very large, in a pressure cooker. Add water 6 cups. Pressure cook in high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm back with boiled potatoes. I have drained hot water and added cold water with ice cubes 2 to 3 cups to cool the potato fast. Ice has melted completely. This means the potatoes are cool. Peel the skin of potatoes. Tip: always boil extra potato so that we will not have any problem if anything goes bad, like the potato is bad inside or extra salt, etc. With hands, roughly mash 2½ potatoes. Use the remaining half potato if required. I have taken water 2 cups in a pan. Add fresh tilapia fillet 3, about 470 grams. We can also use bhetki fish or lote mach. Lote mach is also called Bombay duck. In case of Bombay duck, after boiling, take off the bone. Add salt ½ teaspoon. Boil for 7 to 8 minutes in high heat. After 7 to 8 minutes, this is how the fish looks. I will drain the water and come back. The water is drained. I kept it in a strainer to drain all water and make it dry. Heat sunflower oil 5 tablespoons and ghee 1 teaspoon in a frying pan. Add cumin 1 teaspoon and nigella seeds or kalo jeera ½ teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add chopped onion 1 cup or onion paste 3/4 cup. Fry in medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add ginger paste 1½ tablespoon and garlic paste 1½ tablespoon. Fry in medium to high heat for 2 minutes to get rid of the raw smell of the ginger and garlic. Add tomato paste 1 cup or tomato ketchup 3/4 cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes or till oil separates from the masala. Add oil if required. For tomato ketchup use, please refer to my vegetable chop video. Link will be shared in the description box. In between, add turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1½ teaspoon or red chili powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoon, and Bhaja masala 1 teaspoon. Cook for the remaining time. Bay leaf, dry red chili, cumin, coriander seeds, fennel seeds and carom seeds are dry roasted and grinded into powder. The masala looks done. Now add the boiled tilapia. Add mashed potato, about 2 cups. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Lemon or lime juice, half tablespoon. Sugar, half tablespoon. Green chili paste, 1 teaspoon, or chopped green chili, 2 to 3 teaspoon. Mix them well. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes in medium heat. Note, some people prefer cooking the fish directly with masala, but I prefer to boil fish and then cook as it reduces fish smell and it kills any germ that the fish might have. Suggestion: try to cook the filling in a non-stick frying pan so that the filling doesn't stick to the pan and dries up fast. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. I have added salt, half teaspoon, green chili paste, half teaspoon, and lemon juice, 1 teaspoon again. Mix well again. Cook till the filling doesn't stick to the pan. It is also sticky and does not want to fall. When it does, it falls like a lump. With a vegetable masher, mash the filling till there is hardly any lump. Alternate. We can also mash the potato and the fish first and then add to the masala. But I like to mash at last because mashing at this stage blends all ingredients together and creates a heavenly taste. This is how the filling looks now. Tip: make a ball with some filling. If it doesn't hold together, then add some more mashed potato. I had forgotten to add garam masala powder, half teaspoon earlier, which I am adding now. Mix well. Note, garam masala powder comprises of cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. They are grinded into fine powder. Keep it open and allow it to cool down. The filling is now cool. It is dry but moist and not sticking to the fingers at all. I have cornstarch as per requirement. Take it small amount, or all-purpose flour, etc. Eggs, 3 in total, 2 for now, and bread crumbs as per requirement. Take in small amount. Add black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon, and salt, 1/8 teaspoon. Beat the eggs well. Instead of eggs, we can use cornstarch and all-purpose flour solution. Rest remains the same. Please refer to my vegetable chop video for this. Lubricate palm with water or oil. Take small portions of filling and with palm and fingers roll it and make oval or round or cylindrical shapes. The size will depend upon our choice. Please follow the hand movement in the video. Remember, after coating is applied, the chop will be 1.5 times more than this. Now drop it into the cornstarch. Shake the bowl and the chop will coat itself nicely with cornstarch. Cover the open areas with hand. This seals all cracks and doesn't allow chop to break while frying. This step is a must. Now coat the chop with egg. Note, here I am showing how to use minimum egg for coating. Disadvantage, the chops will be thinner. Generous coating with egg will give a thick chop. Now drop it into the breadcrumbs. Shake the bowl to coat the chop with breadcrumbs. Pick it up for second coating. Must step again. Dip the chop again into the beaten egg and coat it as per desired. Drop it again into the breadcrumbs and shake the bowl to coat it. With fingers, press the breadcrumbs so that they sit well on the chop. Keep it aside. Do the same for all the chops. These are the 3 stages of the fish chop. I have got 16 chops. These have less egg coating. These have generous egg coating. Heat mustard oil enough for deep frying to fumes. Otherwise, the chops will smell of raw mustard oil. Tip: dip a stem of dry red chili into hot oil to understand if it is hot enough for frying. The oil is now hot. Drop the fish chop one at a time into the hot oil. Fry in medium heat till golden brown on all sides. Fry in medium heat so that it is cooked from both outside and inside. Tip: always drop chop in hot oil. Tip: do not overcrowd. Gently roll the chop to avoid breaking it. Flip side every 2 to 3 minutes to evenly cook all sides. The chops are golden brown from all sides. Lift them and place them on a rack on the karai. Place the chops gently on the rack. Excess oil will go back to the karai. We don't need a tissue paper in this case. After 2 to 3 minutes, keep them aside. Do the same with all chops. Serve them hot with Bengali mustard sauce called kashundi and salad. Tomato ketchup can also be used. It is generally served with hot tea or coffee and puffed rice or muri or masala muri or jhal muri. Sprinkle some black pepper powder and salt or black salt or beet noon or chaat masala, etc. Thanks for watching till the end. Please make it at home. If you are new to my channel, then please do not leave without subscribing. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, stay safe, and enjoy life. Bye.